Chapter 5 Operating a Mouse. Learning Outcomes. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to understand the various characteristics of a computer mouse, recognize the different parts of a mouse, know the function of mouse buttons. Warm up! The mouse wants to nibble the old newspapers. Help it find the way. Teacher's note. 1. Apprise the students that there's a lot of difference between a computer mouse and a mouse. 2. A mouse runs very fast and carries diseases, but the computer mouse cannot run and does not carry diseases. Hello friends, let's learn about the crucial component of the computer, which is a mouse. Computer mouse. The computer mouse is used to drag, draw pictures and select things on the monitor. It is attached to the CPU box with a wire. Yes, you read that correctly. It is referred to as a mouse since it resembles an actual mouse. The computer mouse has the following qualities. 1. It is a small input device. 2. It has buttons on it and a wheel in the center. Let me answer. Are a computer mouse and mouse really the same? Mouse buttons. The computer mouse is used to drag, draw pictures and select things on the monitor. It is attached to the CPU box with a wire. Various parts of a mouse. A computer mouse has 2 buttons and a scroll wheel. It is capped on a mouse pad and moves properly on it only. Do you know the computer mouse was invented by Douglas Engelbart and Bill English? Right button, scroll wheel, left button. You should never keep the mouse upside down on the mouse pad. Remember it. The mouse cursor is the pointer on the screen which the person using the computer can move using the computer mouse. Types of mouse. There are various kinds of computer mouse. 1. Wired mouse. The mouse which is attached to the CPU box with a wire. 2. Wireless mouse. The mouse which doesn't have a wire and works on batteries. Actions of a mouse. You can use the mouse in different ways. Click. It means to press and leave the mouse button quickly. You can click the mouse in 3 ways. Left click. It selects an object present on the monitor. Right click. It opens a shortcut menu. Double click. It is used to select and open a program. Drag. It means to press the left button and move the mouse while keeping the left button pressed. Kids IQ. Does a tablet have a mouse attached to it? Let's recall. 1. The mouse is used to drag, draw and select things on a monitor. 2. A mouse can be wired or wireless. 3. Double click opens a program. 3. Left click selects an object present on the monitor. 5. A computer mouse has 2 buttons and a scroll wheel. Upskill your intelligence. A. Take the correct answers. 1. A mouse has a dash in the center. A. Button. B. Wire. C. Wheel. Answer C. Wheel. 2. Dash click open a shortcut menu. A. Double. B. Right. C. Single. Answer B. Right. 3. A mouse has dash buttons. A. 2, B, 3, C, 4. Answer A, 2. 4. A computer mouse dash diseases. A, carries, B, transfers, C, does not carry. Answer A, carries. 5. A mouse is used to dash. A, type letters, B, draw pictures, C, type numbers. Answer B, draw pictures. B. Answer in one word. 1. The white arrow which moves on the monitor. Answer cursor. 2. A small input device of a computer. Answer mouse. 3. A mouse that works on batteries. Answer wireless mouse. 4. The thing on which the mouse is to be kept. Answer mouse pad. C. Write T for true statements and F for false statements. 1. A computer mouse has all the qualities of a mouse. Answer false. 2. A computer mouse has 4 buttons. Answer false. 3. A mouse moves on a mouse pad. Answer true. 4. A mouse can be wired or wireless. Answer true. 5. You can play games using a mouse. Answer true. D. Match the following. Match mouse with click. Match mouse actions with draw. Match pointer with arrow. Match scroll with page up. Critical thinking. A. Who am I? 1. I have 2 buttons and a wheel. Answer mouse. 2. I am the small wheel on the mouse. Answer scroll wheel. B. Unscramble the words. 1. Input. 2. Mouse. 3. Cursor. 4. Button. Teamwork. A. Use crayons to fill the color and name the buttons in the given pictures. Answer do it yourself. B. Find out the mouse pointer from the pictures and color it. Answer do it yourself. C. Collect the information of the following. Answer do it yourself.